So I get questions asked all the time, will your tank work on my van? So I'm just gonna walk you through a couple things to look at. And if our 47 gallon replacement tank doesn't work for you, our 40 gallon replacement tank might be a better option. So to start, our tank's gonna work with all these fuel lines. These are all OEM fuel lines. Even if you have a bunch of foam shot in there, our tank is still gonna have enough clearance. If it's a 4-wheel drive and you have a transfer case, it's also gonna be fine. If you have a water tank and it works with the OEM tank, it's also gonna work with the S&B tank because we don't extend any further outside of the OEM tank. Then if you have any bolts that are mounted through the body, that also should not be an issue. Now I'm gonna walk you to the back and show you some things to look for back here. So this is a Winnebago Revel. Our 47 gallon tank will not work with this because of all these lines running through the cab, but our 40 gallon tank will. So if our 47 gallon tank is gonna extend here, and then it's gonna occupy the space up here, and it's gonna mount to this rear cross member. We use plus nuts to mount this to the rear cross member. So if you have anything up here, any lines, if the lines are really close to the cab and close to this cross member, that should not be an issue. But if you do have anything mounted here, you might wanna look at our 40 gallon tank because our 40 gallon tank just goes all the way to here. It's gonna end right here and it's gonna go underneath these lines.